Hi everyone, so today we'll be looking at essential household chores vocabulary. So let's get started. So the first one we have here is load the dishwasher. This is when you place dirty dishes into the dishwasher. So for example, after dinner, I loaded the dishwasher to clean all the plates and utensils. Mow the lawn. This is when you cut grass in the yard, like backyard or front yard. Every Saturday morning, I mow the lawn to keep it looking neat. Draw the curtains. So this is when you either close or open the curtains. As the sun set, I drew the curtains to keep the room cozy. Vacuum the carpet. So this is when you use a vacuum cleaner to clean the carpet. I vacuum the carpet every week to remove dust and dirt. Dust the shelves. This is when we wipe away dust from surfaces using a dust cloth. She dusted the shelves to keep her book collection clean. Water the plants. This is when we give water to the plants to help them grow. I water the plants every morning to keep them healthy. Take out the trash. This is something we have to do frequently, so removing the garbage from the house so it doesn't smell. He took out the trash before it started to smell. Make the bed. So to arrange the bed neatly, usually early in the morning after we wake up. She makes the bed every morning as part of her routine. Okay, wash the windows. This is when we clean the windows with water and any sort of cleaning solution like soap or spray. He washed the windows to let more light into the house. Sweep the floor. This is when we use something like a broom to clean the floor. So usually to remove dust particles and little things that collect in the corners. So for example, she swept the floor to get rid of the dirt and crumbs. Wipe the counter. This is when we clean kitchen counters with a cloth. After cooking, he wiped the counters to keep the kitchen tidy. Do the laundry. So washing and drying clothes, usually on weekends. She did the laundry on Sunday to prepare for the week. Iron the clothes. This is usually something we do after our laundry has dried. So we use an iron to remove wrinkles from clothes. He ironed his shirt before the big meeting. Clean the bathroom. This is when we sanitize and scrub the bathroom fixtures like faucets or sink or the bathtub. Every Friday, she cleans the bathroom thoroughly. Empty the dishwasher. This is when we remove the clean dishes from the dishwasher. So loading is when we have to wash them, and after they're washed and dried, we empty the dishwasher. He emptied the dishwasher so it would be ready for the next load. Clean the fridge. So removing any expired food, wiping down the surfaces in the fridge, even the outside, like the door or the door handles. He cleaned the fridge to make space for the new groceries. Organize the pantry. Now this is a place, it could be a shelf or a separate tiny room in your kitchen to organize food items. She organized the pantry to find ingredients more easily. Mop the floor. This is when we usually use a cleaning solution, any sort of liquid, to mop the floor. He mopped the floor to remove the sticky spots. Defrost the freezer. So this is when we have to remove the ice. Usually we turn it off so we can remove the ice buildup from the freezer. She defrosted the freezer to improve its efficiency. Steam clean the carpet. So this is when we use a steam cleaner to deep clean carpets. He steam cleaned the carpets to remove deep-seated dirt and stains. Polish silverware. This is when we clean and shine silver utensils and items, usually using a very soft and fine cloth. He polished the silverware before setting the table for the dinner party. Deep clean the bathroom. So this is when we thoroughly clean all the surfaces, disinfect the sink, the bathtub. We clean and scrub the tiles, in between the tiles as well. So for example, she deep cleaned the bathroom to get rid of mold and mildew. Put away the groceries. So putting away any purchased or bought groceries in their proper places. He put away the groceries as soon as he got home. Fold the laundry. So folding all the clean clothes after they have been washed and dried. He folded the laundry while watching his favorite show. Rearrange the furniture. So this is when we move around the furniture in our apartment or our home to give it a new look. He rearranged the furniture to create a more open and inviting space. Declutter the house. This is when we remove unnecessary items from the house, extra clothing, toys, books, oftentimes for donation. She decluttered the house to make it more organized and spacious. Sort the mail. This is when we organize and separate mail by type, maybe bills, letters, etc. He sorted the mail to find the important letters. Lubricate door hinges. So this is when we apply oil or some sort of grease to the hinges so they don't creak and make weird, scary noises. He lubricated the door hinges to stop them from creaking. Wax the floors. So this is when we apply wax to floors to protect and shine them. She waxed the floors to give them a glossy finish. Regrout the tiles. So this is when we replace old grout between tiles with new grout. He regrouted the bathroom tiles to make them look new again. Service the HVAC system. So this is when we perform maintenance on the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system in our homes. He serviced the HVAC system to ensure it was working efficiently. Patch holes in walls. This is when we fill and repair small holes or cracks in the walls. He patched the holes in the walls before repainting. Trim the hedges. This is when we shape bushes and shrubs, usually using large shears. Dad plans to trim the hedges to tidy up the yard. Shovel snow. This is when we clear snow from sidewalks and driveways, usually using a big shovel. We'll need to shovel snow before going to school today. Rake the leaves. So this is when we gather fallen leaves in the yard, often in the autumn season. Let's rake the leaves before they cover the entire lawn. Tidy up the living room. This is when we simply arrange and clean the living room. She tidied up the living room before guests arrived. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, and if you liked my video, please do remember to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.